Great Big Story, a new podcast about the delightful, the surprising, and the untold stories all around us. Listen to our latest episodes wherever you get your favorite podcasts.
Started talking to a little girl in her bedroom through the family's Ring security camera. This is what her mom says. Unbelievable. Watch it.
Who is that?
I'm your best friend. I'm Santa Claus.
Mommy!
I'm Santa Claus. Don't you want to be my best friend?
I watched the video, and I mean, like, my heart just, like, you know, I'm like, I didn't even get to the end where she's screaming, like, mommy, before, like, you know, I ran inside.
Well, the mom says he also played music and encouraged destructive behavior. She says they'd installed it just 4 days before and immediately cut it off after this. Now, Ring says it's investigating, but this is not related to a breach or compromise of its security. Experts say when setting up an account for security cameras, enable two-factor authentication so you know if someone tries to log in. What a story there. Very frightening.